In this video, we're going to show you how to install a sway bar end link on your Nissan Murano located behind your front wheels. Note the vehicle raised and supported, so let's go ahead and use our 21mm socket to loosen and remove these lug nuts. Now we want to go grab the wheel and remove it. And with the wheel removed, you can go ahead and access your sway bar end link. It connects the sway bar to the mid portion of your strut. Now we did go ahead and start spraying this down the top and bottom with some rust penetrant. Let that set in a little bit. Now we're going to use a metal wire brush here. Depending on your location, we live in the salt belt area. It's a little bit rusty. We're going to go ahead and just kind of clean the threads. Get rid of that scaly stuff, hopefully. Using an 18mm socket, we're going to go ahead and try and loosen this nut. Use our ratchet to go ahead and break this free. All right, the back side of our sway bar end link is spinning as well. And on ours, you can put a wrench on it. If you do not have the availability or the option to put a wrench on the back, you can use a pair of locking pliers to grab the back side to keep it from spinning. Put our 19mm wrench on the other side. All right, let's go and do the same to the bottom. Step down to a shallow socket down here. And the same thing is happening. The nut here is spinning. And put my wrench on there. Here it is. Before we install our new component, I'm going to go ahead and spray this down with some spray solvent. Let's go ahead and clean up our work area. Go ahead and grab your new end link. Go ahead and feed that through. Going to get our nut started on the top. And zip that down as far as I can by hand. And then get that bottom one started. Now on the replacement components here, the nut is an 18mm. If you do need to anchor down the inside portion, it is going to be a 20mm. All right, let's go ahead and torque these down. Now the torque spec range for this here is 58 to 62 pounds. We're going to go right in the middle. Let's go ahead and torque it to 60 foot-pounds. Perfect. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side, install your wheels, and you're all set. Get it set up on those studs. Then we're going to go ahead and start all of our lug nuts by hand. Now you want to start these by hand. That's going to prevent cross-threading and damaging the studs. Once you get them all started, we'll go ahead and snug these down. Let's now go ahead and torque down the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Now when tightening this here, it's best to do it in a crisscross or star pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.